example, especially do a publication, or if you think about color schemes in regards to how do you paint rooms or bathrooms or hallways, you can see, you know, some are very good contrast, like the top ones here, or even here, but you can see these, or here, these three are pretty bad. This one's subtle, but you can see how you can hardly see the word example based on these backgrounds. So some of this just takes us to take a step back and look globally what that means. And I've also talked to other people in the community when I talk about contrast and lighting. People have mentioned stories about, oh, there's a carpet on our foyer and everyone thinks it's a step and trying to step over it. Those are some of the illusions that can happen when there is poor contrast or poor lighting. Okay, here's just for us to all remember risk factors for falls. You know, sometimes we talk about it, but what is it exactly? And you know, today really talk what is what visual deficits affect falls. And just to give you a little taste, you know, visual deficits or visual issues can affect your gait, your balance, you know, in depression. You know, and you think about all these things are so interrelated that we kind of tend to forget. In areas to assess, especially when you think about vision, like I said before, in environment, you know, and in terms of how vision affects balance, and you think about balance, what affects balance, footwear affects balance. You know, vision and cognition, there is a link. There's been, you know, things saying about even with Alzheimer's, if there's something done with light that could improve people's quality of life. So those are things for us to think about. Okay, environmental features to think about in regards to vision. You know, just design, condition of furniture. You know, how to use your space, stairways, how you highlight that. You think about in some assisted living and hospitals or nursing homes, there's a bar in the middle of the hallway. Well, why can't we change that color? When we think about lighting, we tend to always think about overhead lighting. But if you think about it, where is good light? You know, how does lighting help? Lighting helps when you shine the light on things. So when you have a flashlight, when you go camping, you don't put the flashlight over your head. You put the flashlight in front of you, highlighting the road so that you won't step into something or miss something. So think about that for lighting.